Hey, hi. My name is Dr. Rajendra. Today, I will be speaking on industry or home automation. Uh, the things are moving right now. Have you heard about IoT? So, in future, every devices which you have in your home, let it be fridge, microwave open, or washing machine, right? Everything will be enabled through the IoT. Even your doorbell or either your all CCTV camera will have the IoT IP, and you can operate it through the remotely by using your mobile app. So that is going to be the future. Once it is done or it is applicable to India, you can judge that how much data generation will happen. And once this data is getting generated, the India will be data hub, and there will be role of the data analytics, there will be role of the machine learning, and we will be moving in the different industry altogether. So that is going to be the new feature. Till now, we have seen IT used only in like CRM, ERP, or either for the company use in like e-commerce website or the delivery like Zomato or either Zepto. All those things we already using it. But new feature will be the very exciting and very promising in the IT area where everything will be managed through the IoT and the data analytics and so through the machine learning or AI. Thank you.